Hi guys, you are welcome to another video on how to trade volatility 75 index, step index, boom, and crash index. All right, so we'll be looking at how we can trade V75 on the smaller time frame. But before we look at the smaller time frame, we are going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frame. All right, on the higher time frame, on the monthly time frame, we can see that the price of volatility 75 index is bearish. That's on the monthly time frame. You can see the kind of reversal occurred around here, and what happened around here is playing out around here. You can see this evening star pattern, signifying that price is going to drop some more on the monthly time frame. But the drop is going to take some time because we are looking at a higher time frame. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the seller stepped in around here, and price has dropped to the support area. Price at the support area, and we might likely see price dropping as low as 3077 area on the weekly time frame. But we can see that the bear pressure is more. Bear pressure is more on the weekly time frame, and the current week has left a candle wick at the top, indicating that the sellers are pushing strong on price. On the daily time frame, we can see that price at the bottom of the chart, and we might likely see a break of this structure, possibly today or in the next couple of days. And looking at the pivot, the daily pivot, price opened below the daily pivot line, which is at 340068 level. Price poked above the pivot line, but was unable to get to the first resistance, and price has since dropped below the first support. The first support at 329571 level has given way, and price has been dropping further downwards. So the next point of call might be 320300 level. Price might likely break the structure around there. That's on the daily time frame. Another thing to note is that we have a bearish structure on the daily time frame as price continues to give us a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So price might likely give us a lower low next, in as much as we have this lower high around here. So we might likely see a break of this structure to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see more like a head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder. We have a left shoulder around here. Okay, price has given us a left shoulder somewhere around. Let me change the color of this to something like this. Okay, we have left shoulder around here. We have the head. This is the head. Okay, around here. All right, we can see the right shoulder around here, and price is getting set for more drop downwards. Okay, so price of V75 is obviously going to drop some more. And look at the pressure, the selling pressure, as price breaks structure. We have a structural break around here, which happened here. We have another structural break around here, which happened here. So we might see this structural break occur around here. So the best bet for you to do on V75 for now is to sell. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see a break of this structure around here happening around here, and price is still dropping. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks already with no bullish, 5 bearish candlesticks with no bullish candlestick in between, showing the force of the sellers. On the 30 minutes time frame, you can see a descending trend line, another descending trend line around here, showing a steep drop of price. So you might consider selling V75 index. If V75 is gonna if it's gonna go up, we have this this supply area around here. Price might find supply around this point, which is the 330,000 level. On the 15 minutes time frame, the selling pressure is still there. As price registers high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we might see another lower high, then another lower low. So all you need to do for now is look for selling opportunities on V75 index. On 5 minutes time frame is bearish. Let's take a look at step index on the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame shows a bearish structure for step index. We have a bearish structure in place on the monthly time frame for step index as price continues to range at the bottom of the chart, which is at the support level. On the weekly time frame, price is at the bottom of the chart. We have a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, then a higher high. We can see price trying to form another lower low. All right, so in as much as you are selling V75, you might also want to consider looking at possibly selling step index. On the daily time frame, we have step index dropping. We have this high, low, lower high, lower low, but price is currently above the daily pivot. The daily pivot is at A399.7 level, and price is currently above that level. Price might coincidentally get to the daily resistance, the first resistance, which is at 8423.7 level, but the support daily support stays at 8378.5 level. For now, the buyers are trying to push price to the resistance, this particular resistance level, but the overall direction is bearish. On the 4-hour time frame, the direction is bearish as price forms bearish structure where we have a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. What we are looking at is the price is currently ranging. The price is ranging. We might see a lower high somewhere around it for price to continue downwards. On the 1-hour time frame for now, price is ranging but also trying to go up. All right, a break above, a clean break above here. We have a price breaking it here, but we have a doji. All right, so a break and close above the 8410.3 level might push price further up. On the 30 minutes time frame for step index, we have a range in view. Price is currently ranging. We'll be looking for a break out of the current range. This is the range top, and this is the range bottom. We might be looking for a break of this current range, but for now, price is ranging, and the likely direction is to the top side. On 15 minutes time frame, Step index is ranging. Price might likely go up. On the 5 minutes time frame, step is the X is kind of bullish. We have a low, high, a lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then we have like a lower low, more like higher high. Then we have a higher high. This is like a higher low to this. Then we have a higher high. So price might likely go upward. So you might look at for now buy step index, but in the long run it's bearish on the higher time frame. All right, let's take a look at boom 1000 index. Boom 1000 index on the day, on the monthly time frame, is at the top of the chart. Price at the top of the chart for boom 1000 index. Is at the resistance level. Look at the big bullish candles on the monthly time frame, showing that boom 1000 index is strongly bearish on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it's also bearish as price continues to register. This is a low, this is a high, higher low, higher high. All right, and look at this stretch. Okay, like 10 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 candlesticks with no bearish candle in between. So excuse me, that shows the strength of the buyers. All right, price currently ranging, but we might see price continue to go up on the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, price at the resistance area. This is an initial resistance. Price trying to drop, or the price has attempted to drop from this resistance level. And what we can see for today's candlestick is a test of the support, first support on the pivot. The test of the pivot support at 14066 level, and price has since left that level and is approaching the pivot line, which is at 14223. So price might test the pivot line. Already we are seeing a bullish pin bar, indicating that the bearish drop from this bearish engulfing candlestick has finished or completed its course, and price is going back up. So the first point of call will be at the pivot line, the daily pivot line, which is at 14223. Before price gets to the daily resistance, the first resistance, pivot resistance 1, which is at 14309 level. So you might still look at buying boom 1000 index. On the 4-hour time frame, the price of boom 1000 index is ranging, and the break of this range to this low here, price is forming a morning star pattern, and price will likely go back to the top. Going back to the top, I'm talking about the level around here. Price might get to the 14366 level, but before then, on the 4-hour time frame, price might meet some sellers around the 14300 level, where we have this particular order block. On the 1-hour time frame, the bulls are back in town, and look at this bullish engulfing candlestick. Price is reacting to it. Price is currently at this particular order block on the 1-hour time frame for boom 1000 index. All right, we might see a bit of a drop around here before price breaks this particular supply level, and the price approach the next level, which is around here. On the 30 minutes time frame, look at what's going on. Price at the resistance level, might see a bit of a drop, and then price might likely go up. So for boom 1000 index, look for buying opportunities for now as price continues to go up. Let's take a look at a crash 1000 index. On the monthly time frame, crash 1000 index is at the bottom of the chart, which is at the support level. It's clearly a bearish structure. On the weekly time frame, crash 1000 index is giving us a morning star candlestick pattern indicating that we might be seeing a double bottom. So on the weekly time frame, crash 1000 index might likely go up back to this might likely go back to this order block area for us to have something like a range before price find its direction. On the daily time frame, crash 1000 index is going up. You can see a bottom has been formed around here. Looking at this bullish engulfing candlestick this pattern formed around there, price is reacting to it, and price is attempting to get to this supply area. Price might likely find resistance here where sellers will step in and push price bit downward before price continues to go up. Still on the daily time frame, looking at the daily time frame, we can see that the day's candlestick opened at the pivot level, which is at 6091.94 level. Price dropped a bit and then find buyers, and price has since gone past the pivot resistance level, which is at 6127 level. Price is moving up, and you might look at buying excuse me, you might look at buying crash 1000 index. On the 4-hour time frame, the structure is bullish. You have a bullish structure for crash 1000 index. Price is going up. We expect crash 1000 index to drop, but rather it's going up against the spike. So instead of it spiking downwards, it's going up. So you might consider buying crash 1000 index. On the 1-hour time frame, crash 1000 index continues to break structure to the top side. We have a structure around here, got broken around there, it dropped back to this trend line, and it has broken this particular structure around here, and price continued to print upward. On the 30-minute time frame, it shows that the only direction crash 1000 index is focused on is the upward direction. So if you have to go to trade crash 1000 index, look for buy opportunities. That's that for today's video. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give it a like, click the like button if you like what you just saw. All right, so you can drop comment below the video, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your questions. See you in the next video.